Hi, this is Regine. Today we're going to be learning about how do I interpret the product of whole numbers. So the word product means the answer to a multiplication problem. So if we're given a multiplication problem such as 4 times 8 and we want to find the product, we need to realize that what the factors of the multiplication mean. So the first number represents a number of each group, and the second number represents a number in each group. So if I want to model 4 times 8, one way I can do that is I can draw 4 groups. So these rectangles here will represent 4 groups, and there are 8 items in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 32. So now I know 4 times 8 is 32. So this is how we interpret the product or figure out the product of a multiplication. And we can use this to help us solve many different type of problems. So here I will write a word problem for you. So there are 5 canoes. And 4 students in each canoe. How many students are there? If you want to pause the video and try this on your own, you can. And then you can come back and check your answer. So here we have 5 canoes. So remember, when we're learning multiplication, we know that we're doing groups and we have an equal number in each group. So I know this is 5 times 4. I have 5 canoes. So this will represent my canoes. And 4 people in each canoe. Alright, so now I just need to count my tally marks, and 5 times 4 is 20. So now I know that there are 20 people total. So the product of a multiplication problem tells us the total number that we have. And there are different ways we can model our multiplication. And the other thing to also remember about multiplication is it is commutative. If you want to remember what that is, you can check out my video on the commutative property of multiplication. So if I have 3 times 7, I can make a number line. And so 3 times 7 means I have 3 groups of 7. So if I have a number line starting at 0, and I know I need to make 3 groups of 7, so I have one group of 7, another group of 7, another group of 7. So let's count 7, and if you add another 7, that actually becomes 14, and another 7, that is 21. So we have 7, 7, 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Because the other thing about multiplication is it is repeated addition. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. And you would get the exact same answer if you did 7 groups of 3. So that would work too. I have another word problem for you to try. Jan purchased, 5 packages of muffins. Each package contains 3 muffins. How many muffins does she have total? so in this problem, I'm looking for the total, so I know I'm looking for the product of my multiplication. So I have 5 packages, so I can make an array. Well, we can do it like this. So we have 1, it's kind of look like packages, 2, 3, 4. Should I make these a little smaller? So this is our 5th, and she has 3 muffins in each. So you have 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that tells me that she has 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So our multiplication problem is 5 times 3 is 15. All right, so today we learned how to interpret the product of whole numbers. We learned that the product is the answer to the multiplication problem, and it tells us the total. I hope this helped. See you next time.